Well, we just had to cut out of that story to this big breaking news about 10 to 12 coaches of Dibrugarh Express train have derailed in Gonda in Uttar Pradesh. Big news coming in. The train, in fact, was going to Dibrugarh from Chandigarh. So this is the latest information, and what we're getting to know is that 10 to 12 coaches of this express train has derailed. Big, huge news coming in the wake of the incident that recently had taken place in West Bengal, and we're getting the visuals there of how the bogies of the train have derailed. We still don't have more information about the passengers, but one can see the huge number of people who have gathered on the ground. 10 to 12 coaches of the Dibrugarh Express derailing in Uttar Pradesh. In fact, the train was going to Dibrugarh from Chandigarh, and it derailed at Uttar Pradesh, in Gonda in Uttar Pradesh. There you see the, always in a situation like this, it's the locals who in fact rush to the spot. They are the first people to arrive for the evacuations. They are actually the ones, the first rescue workers who arrive at the spot to try and help as many as passengers. So these are the visuals of that train that has derailed. We're still trying to get in more information. This, according to preliminary information coming in, 10 to 12 coaches have derailed in this incident that is being reported. Amit Singh is joining us now. Amit, बताइए जो जानकारी हमें मिली है कि 10 से 12 बोगीज डिरेल हुई है. प्लीज गिव अस मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन.
देखिए, ये डिब्रूगढ़ एक्सप्रेस है. जो जानकारी मिल पा रही है, डिब्रूगढ़ एक्सप्रेस है 15904, उसकी बोगियां जो है वो डिरेल हुई हैं. और बताया जा रहा है कि इस वक्त मेडिकल वैन और आरटीए वैन को मौके पर जो 15904 डिब्रूगढ़ एक्सप्रेस के कई बॉगी जो हैं इस वक्त डिरेल हुए हैं. और बताया ये जा रहा है कि मेडिकल वैन और आरटी वैन दोनों को मौके पर रवाना कर दिया गया है. झिलाही से मोतीगंज रेलवे स्टेशन के बीच की ये घटना है, और इस घटना पर मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ ने तुरंत राहत कार्यों के लिए लगातार उन्होंने बोला है कि जल्द से जल्द जो जिला प्रशासन है वो मौके पर पहुंचे और देखे, राहत कार्य में तेजी लाए. तो जाहिर तौर पे ये एक बड़ा हादसे के तौर पे देखा जा रहा है. 15904 डिब्रूगढ़ एक्सप्रेस है ये, और झिलाही से मोतीगंज रेलवे स्टेशन के बीच में यह बड़ा हादसा हुआ है. फिलहाल पिकौड़ा गांव के पास जो बॉगी पलटे हैं, डिरेल हुए हैं, वहां मेडिकल वैन और आरटी वैन रवाना कर दिए गए हैं. जी.
अच्छा, आप बता रहे थे कि मेडिकल वैन ऑलरेडी पहुंच गई है. थोड़े से रेस्क्यू वर्क के बारे में बता दीजिए. अमित, आपको क्या जानकारी मिल रही है? पैसेंजर्स जो है अंदर, उनको बाहर निकाल दिया गया है? ये सिर्फ डिरेल हुई है या किसी दूसरी ट्रेन से क्रैश हुई है?
इस वक्त मिल पा रही है, ये पिकौड़ा गांव है, उसके पास ये बॉगी डिरेल हुए हैं. मेडिकल वैन और आरटी वैन को फिलहाल रवाना किया गया है. मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ ने भी जिला के अधिकारियों को कहा है कि तुरंत मौके पर पहुंचे और राहत कार्य में तेजी लाए, क्योंकि ये शुरुआत में जस्ट अभी ये खबर आई है. तो इस बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो जस्ट अभी खबर आई है, अभी शुरुआती जानकारी आ रही है.
Ji, all right. So this is a developing story. We are just getting very preliminary information. As many as 12 coaches of the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express has derailed in Gonda of Uttar Pradesh. The incident taking place just a few hours before, and this is the latest that we do know of right now. Payal is with us as well. Payal, just tell us more. All we know is that these coaches have derailed. And what we do know is that this is the 15904 Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express that has derailed in Uttar Pradesh. What's the latest? What is the additional information that you're getting?
Well, what we're waiting for is to hear officially from the railways in terms of how many number of coaches, because as of now there is multiple information coming in. But what we do know that 4 coaches have derailed, Avantika will have to just wait and see what further information is coming. But they said these are the 4 coaches which are the AC coaches which have derailed, and it was near the Pikora Gaon. And what really led to it is, of course, going to be important to see. But as of now, the rescue and relief operations have started. Medical train has been rushed, and the ART van has also been rushed to the location. The Railways Ministry is still assessing the situation, understanding from the concerned railway zone to see what really has been happening and why this derailment was happening.
And
happening
what's
for them.
disturbing, Payal, is that this incident is coming just a few weeks after the accident that involved the goods train and the Kanchenjunga Express in Darjeeling district, in which 10 passengers also lost their life. Right, we'll try and establish contact with Payal, but 12 coaches of the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express train has derailed in Uttar Pradesh's Gonda district. This is the latest information. Rescuers are headed towards Gonda. Information is just trickling in. It's a developing story. We've just received these visuals of how these bogies have derailed. We're still receiving more information about the condition of the passengers, and these are fresh visuals, exclusive visuals that we're getting right now of how these bogies have derailed. Just take a look at them. Most of them have actually fallen off. Rescue work is going on. It's the locals really who have the first line of rescue, who are trying to pull out the passengers. This train, in fact, was on its way to Chandigarh. It has derailed in Gonda in Uttar Pradesh. This is the latest that we're getting in about the Gonda train accident. We still do not have much information on the condition of the passengers. We're still awaiting for more details. But as you can see there, the rescue work going on a war footing to try and pull out the passengers to safety at the very earliest. These are visuals that are just coming in exclusive to CNN News 18. It is a developing story, with the rescuers also now headed towards Gonda. And what we're getting to hear from our reporters is that one medical team has already been dispatched. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has already sent his team of medics to the site. There you see these visuals of how the locals, in fact, are rushing to the spot and trying to pull out the passengers out of safety. Akash is